Good afternoon, Ms. Stender. Can you introduce yourself to the jury?
I'm Courtney Stender.
And can you spell your last name for the record?
It's Stender.
And where do you work?
I work for the Northport Police Department.
How long have you worked there?
26 years.
And what is your current position with the Northport Police Department?
I work in the training unit as a training specialist.
All right. And in 2023, what was your position?
I was a crime scene technician.
How long were you with the crime scene unit at Northport Police?
17 years.
Now, in crime scene, were you regularly assigned to conduct examinations or documenting with respect to death investigations?
Yes, I was.
And did you assist with the investigation involving this case with Dima Tower?
Yes, I did.
Now, specifically on September 1st of 2023, did you assist detectives with documenting the execution of a search warrant on a vehicle?
Yes, I did.
And was that vehicle a Chevy Sonic bearing West Virginia license plate 2ZE784?
That is correct. Yes, I did.
Where did the search of that vehicle take place?
At the Northport Police Department in the crime scene unit's vehicle exam room.
Okay. Now, did you take photographs of the vehicle during the search?
Yes, I did.
I'm going to approach you with what's been pre-marked as State's Exhibit 28A through 28J. These photographs have been previously shown to defense. Can you take a look at these images and look up on your phone? Do you recognize these photographs?
Yes, I do.
How do you recognize them?
These are the photographs that I took of the vehicle.
All right. So this is a fair and accurate depiction of the vehicle and its contents on the day that you assisted with the execution of the search warrant.
Yes, it is.
Your Honor, at this time, the state moves into evidence states 28A through 28J.
No objection.
28A through 28J will be admitted. You may publish them at your leisure.
So we're briefly going to go through these photographs one at a time, and I'm going to publish them by way of a copy on the projector. So alrighty. So can you describe for the jury the condition of the exterior of the vehicle when you examined it?
The exterior of the vehicle was dirty. There was scratches, dents, paint was chipped. There was damage throughout the vehicle.
Alrighty. So we're looking at 28B. Can you tell the jury something about the tires that we're looking at in this image?
The passenger side, both tires are flat.
Now 28C, which angle are we looking at here?
This is the passenger side, more towards the front quarter panel.
And do you see any damage?
Just dirt.
And what side is this?
This is also the passenger side. This is at the front quarter panel. There is damage on the hood and on the front quarter panel.
Publishing 28E. And what part of the vehicle are we looking at here?
This is the driver's side, front quarter panel.
And describe the damage you see.
There is damage to the actual quarter panel and on the hood.
Now 28F, what are we looking at here?
This is the driver's side interior of the vehicle.
So did you notice dirt and other particles inside the vehicle during the search?
Yes, I did.
Now, in looking from this view of the vehicle, can you explain for the jury, did detectives locate anything towards the passenger side?
Yes, they did.
You can use the pointer.
Can you tell me how it would?
No, absolutely.
Oh, I found it.
Okay.
Sorry. In between the driver's seat and the passenger seat, this is the center console area. In between the passenger seat and the center console at the floorboard was a wallet.
Permission to approach the witness?
Matt?
I'm showing you a trademark for identification as State's Exhibit 29. Can you take a look at this?
Okay.
Do you recognize this?
Yes.
And what is it?
This is the wallet that I collected as evidence?
From your search of the vehicle?
Yes.
The state would move into evidence states 29.
Any objection?
No objection.
29 will be admitted. You may publish at your leisure.
All right, so is this a photograph you took of that same wallet when you were doing your examination?
Yes, it is.
And that's 28G for the record? And were the contents of the wallet removed?
Yes, they were.
Okay, and this is 28H for the record. And was anything linking the defendant in this case, Mr. Dima Tower, located on those bank cards?
Yes, the top card, the Capital One debit card, on the back it had Dima Tower on it.
This is 28I for the record. Now, what are we looking at here?
This is the Department of Transportation. It's the state of West Virginia. Information on the Chevrolet Sonic
And where was this located in the vehicle?
in the glove compartment.
Thank you. And now 28J, what are we looking at here?
This is the Florida driver's license of Dima Tower
And where was this driver's license located?
in the glove compartment.
Again, approaching the witness. Was this driver's license also collected in evidence?
Yes, it was.
Okay, I'm showing you what's been pre-marked for identification as states 30. Can you take a look at this? And is this the driver's license that you collected and placed into evidence from the search of the vehicle?
Yes, it is.
All right, at this time, the state would move into evidence, states exhibit 30.
Any objection?
No objection.
30 will be admitted. You may publish at your leisure.
Alrighty, now, once the vehicle search was completed, what did you do with the vehicle?
The vehicle remained in the vehicle exam room.
All right, and did you have one moment to confer, Your Honor?
You may.
No further questions for this witness.
Defense?
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Good.
Good. The damage that you located on the hood of the vehicle, do you have any information that it occurred in the middle of this incident?
I do not.
In fact, aren't you aware that there was somebody following that vehicle from the scene until it hit stop sticks, right? Were you not aware of that?
I was not aware of the incident. The vehicle was brought into the vehicle exam room to be processed.
Okay, so the photographs that you're taking of the damage, the chip paints, things like that is just for record keeping purposes?
Yes, it is.
Okay, there's nothing about that that is linked in your knowledge to this particular case?
No, there's not.
Okay. Nothing further, Judge.
Any redirect?
Briefly. So, Ms. Stender, was your role in this case to be neutral and document anything of evidence that detectives pointed out to you in this case?
Yes.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
The witness free to step down, counselors?
Yes.
No objection.
You may step down, ma'am.
Thank you.
State next witness.